Good morning, children. Today we are going to see science class. In last class we saw sorting, recycling, collection and transportation of the waste things. So now conversation with Rahul and teacher. Rahul asking, how can we manage a waste at home? His teacher's telling there are many things we and our family can do manage waste at home. 3 R's help to manage waste. There are R's. R's means the Gomadi asking, what are the 3 R's, madam? The teacher saying the 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. So the meaning you all know, right? Reduce, reuse and recycle. First, the 3 R's. Reduce is to make or use less material. See, we have to try to reduce by using the plastic things. So, this is to make and buy and use the things to create a less. If we bought a very less thing, so we can use to reduce the things. So, it's a very best way to reduce the plastic things. First, to do the first, and it's easy to ask yourself. For example, if you're buying a refill pen, refill means you can fill it again. So if you're using a refill pen, the ink is it's reduced, you have to refill it again. So fill it again, the ink, and you can use it. So better you can't throw the plastic pen outside. So you can use it for next time also. Next, another idea for reducing the plastic, while shopping you have to take and carry a carry bag in a cloth material. Next, turn off lights and fan when used or leave a room. So once you're leaving your room, you're going out, you have to switch off the fan and lights, other things. So it's the help to reduce the electricity. Next, close the tap while you are brushing your teeth. So when you're closing a tap and brush your teeth, once you want to wash the mouth, you can open the tap and you can wash it. So these are the help to reduce the water wastage. See, electricity wastage, water wastage and plastics. These are the way to reduce our natural source using. Next, there are 3 columns for reduce, reuse and recycle. You can list the 4 things. What are the things we can reduce, what are the things we can reuse, and what are the things we can recycle it. Now the next topic is reuse. Reuse is using a thing repeatedly for the same or for another purpose. Reuse means that is a using for next time. Next, by reusing, throw away less waste and do not dispose it into a dump. Reuse saves money, energy and time. Reuse is help to save money, energy and time. Here's some example. See, they are giving some example. You can reuse old clothes as a rag to clean your home and even wash your cycle. See, instead of throwing your old clothes, you can use it for a rag to wipe your leg or to clean your cycle, vehicle. Okay, to dust all our items. So it will help to use old clothes. Next, reuse a jam and pickle jar to store things. So here, instead of using once you use the pickle and jam, you don't need to throw the bottles. Better you can use it for store things. See, here they store all the provision things. And you can donate old clothes that still look good and to poor and needy children. So you can donate your clothes, old clothes. It should be in a good look. Don't give a tad one. You have to donate your clothes to the poor and needy children. There are a lot of needy children in our streets, Even in our Dibbo, you can see many people and many small children without a dress. So even you can donate your good clothes. And next, you can reuse waste and make something new. See, they used a plastic bottle and into a pen stand. Here they make this some handcraft. So these are the things for reusing the things as a useful types. So after this we will finish the class. In next class we'll discuss about the recycle. Thank you.